My name is... Hi, my name is... Hello, my name is Danielle. Welcome to FestivalPark.
Garden
I'm
specific
kind of
for
scared
it.
to get my hand out.
Are you serious?
What if it's alive? This'll?
Okay.
This'll do. Hi, I'm Danielle with FestivalPark. Check out my pussy willow. We always keep the doors locked around here. And my million keys. I'll get us in here. Those are the yurts. Camp store. Says barn. Oh, hey, there we go. There's everything from prickly pear to coneflowers. Prickly pear to passion flowers. Oh, talk about some turds. Wow. Something is turding it up over here. Oh, my name is Danielle. Welcome to FestivalPark. Mi amo es Danielle. As the bee flies from the Spike Nerd Bee Sanctuary, they make their way over here to the, okay. So, spread this out. Keep it about 12 inches off of the trunk of the tree as to not smother up on any of that. There's a poo there. I touched it. I forgot it was there. Oh gosh.
That was hilarious.
Oh dear. So. Jeez. Maybe don't show this.
Why are you using such a big hammer?
That's all I can find. Jeez. You know.